For rolling anti-lag, traction control all the way off, I'm in individual mode. I can either go to manual mode with the shifter or kick down on the paddles. I'm going to go down to third gear. Going to get it above 4,000 RPM and just gently push a half a click in. Half a click in on the cruise control like so and floor it. Wait for boost to build and let go. And we're off. Again, manual mode. I'm gonna go to third, be above 4,000, half click in, floor the gas, boost, and it goes. And show you what I did for adjustable launch control. Just a half a click in on that. And you can floor it, and as long as it's over 4,000 RPMs while you're rolling, you let go of that and you will take off. For adjustable launch control, same stalk, look at the RPM, that's set at 3, give it a click. I can set it all the way to say 4,000 or go down with that switch and hold it down or click it down, and I can go lower. I will bump it up to say 3,500 RPM and do a launch with that and see how it goes. In individual mode again, brake all the way in, floor it.